Hey everybody, this is Rod from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and we're here with the Harman Kardon Edition HTC One M8, and we're going to get into exactly what's so different between this and the standard M8. So to kick things off, for starters, it's truly all about the software. On the outside, it's pretty much identical other than the color scheme. You see you have the lovely piano black finish, and then gold accents over the boom sound speakers. But on the software side of things, this is actually the first device to come with extreme power saving prior to HTC rolling out the updates. So this actually shipped with it on hand, even though everyone has it now. But again, when it comes to the software, it's all about Harman Kardon audio. So you go in here, you have the two options. You have the Clari-Fi and the Live Stage. So Clari-Fi is Harman Kardon's proprietary software. A software that allows you to hear music better. It pretty much brings back the quality that's lost during compressing and transferring over, and turning regular audio into MP3 format. So it's basically trying to be a Sonos of software. So it kind of gives you a good high quality hi-fi kind of sound, and for the most part it works pretty well. We go back to the settings. The actual Live Stage, which only works in headphones, it's pretty interesting. It kind of gives you not an acoustic effect, but it's kind of like a reverb where it sounds like you're listening to it perform live, if that kind of makes any sense. So I mean, for the most part that works okay, but I think Clari-Fi is really where the potential of everything of this is. So like I said, Clari-Fi sounds pretty good. I just hate the fragmentation of this being a separate device, and I kind of just wish that Harman Kardon got together with HTC and provided this with all of the M8s, and I'm pretty sure you guys do too. Like I said, you get the headphones, and this is actually $30 more, and it's a Sprint exclusive. So you have to be on Sprint, and you have to be a true audiophile, because with this is all about the music. You can get this for $230 at Sprint online or in the stores. If you order it, you can actually get one of the Harman Kardon's Onyx home speakers, which is usually like two or $300, but you get it for $100, which works out pretty well. And then also you can get Spotify if you're part of Sprint's family plan. You can get Spotify for 6 months for free and at a discount rate. And if you're not, you still get it for 3 months free, and then also still a discounted rate. And you can get it, group. It's a single user and group user discount. So that's pretty interesting part of it. So the question is this premium worth for you? Is it worth it? So that's something to think about. While I still prefer the regular M8, those of you on Sprint can pick this up if you wish. So it's available right now. It's been available, so this will probably go for a select few people. So I'm not sure how that will work out. I actually give this a B. I mean, essentially, it's kind of the same device. When you hear about it, you kind of think, okay, either think of one or two things. What's the difference, or why does this exist? So the differences are cool. You got to pay a $30 premium, and it's only a Sprint exclusive. So it's kind of hard to give it a high grade when there's certain things. I mean, the software is good. It's okay. The headphones, I've had problems keeping them staying in my ear. I mean, I don't have small ears or big ears. I guess medium-sized ears, but they stay in, just don't fit as comfortably as I'd like to. But they sound great. So all that in mind, I'm not sure if this is worth picking up over a regular M8, especially for those who already have the M8. But if you check into the link below, we have a link of XDA developers have a link where you can do some hacking, some rooting and stuff, and then you can get the Harman Kardon software onto your standard M8. So of course this is for people who've done this, so if you're not comfortable, don't bother trying it. But that's pretty much it. Again, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, as always.